nagpalit ako last minute and I do need to go na rin. So, sakit ng tiyan ko. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. I mean, alam ko pala. Alam ko pala kung bakit. But, oh, okay, note to self, do not eat anything like that next time. Oh my god. And I fear na masalabo yung mata ko dito kasi nahihirapan siya mag-adjust. Nahihirapan din ako mag-adjust kasi it's black. And I'm used to clear glasses. Okay, let's go.
Patricia muna.
Wala dapat kaming bibilhin, pero wow. Yun na, nandun. We're going home. Papagalitan na naman ako. Okay lang yun. Okay lang. Nakabili ako pagkain. Okay lang. Bye. See you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. It is June 3 and I'm getting ready kasi pupunta na kami ng Batangas today. And nakapag-ayos na naman ako ng gamit yesterday pa, so hindi ako nagmamadali. Why you make it so complicated?
Sabi ng pwesto.
Ano na yan?
Ito na mga bag mo, ano, Bicol?
So nakita ko nila na ako
Yung iba, Bicol, yung iba.
Alex! Ito ko nga nila pag nag-drive ako.
Ay, oo.
Bay City Mall. Ito na Bay City Mall. Drive pa bahay? Ito ko na lang ba sa harap? Pala tayo.
Ano, ito na nga.
Iba lang. Oh my god. I think inacid ako kasi one, there was a pistachio cream latte. It's a freaking coffee. Ang sakit na dyan ko. Kinakabag si ate, ako ay may acid. What is happening? On the way to parking.
Nakapagod na.
I'm going to take a bath right now kasi patutuyo na yung buhok ko later and then I can shave my hair tomorrow morning. So we're gonna watch Off Campus later.
Sa 20 years lang na wala. And most life.
Hi. So, we're gonna do my makeup while I watch Off Campus.
Advisor said, I'm not feeling it. Great. Yeah, thank you.
He was an athlete. Finally joining us. You and Wellesley. What do you need?
Can just drive you.
I need tissue.
Must be Hannah. Glad to finally meet.
About how the season's going?
She's at the, They're already asleep. Okay, a little bit.
Guys, I can hear your nails. Who are you texting? What? Nobody.
20 minutes.
Thanksgiving or
Actually, contraband? What it means to be fan. Oh, just sit. Is there a problem?
I hope you can hear me, but I'm home. So, kailangan ko lang magpalit ngayon kasi this top was still from yesterday. Kasi hindi na talaga ako nagplano ng any outfit. Sabi ko, ito na lang din dadalhin ko. Nalimutan ko na rin magdala. I'm going to watch Off Campus. Isang episode na lang ata ko. 1.5. Di ko pa tapos yung 6 or 7. I'm getting ready to go to school. And also tomorrow is the BTS ticket selling day. Actually, dapat hindi na ako pupunta since pag ako lang naman mag-isa, I can't really go to Bulacan by myself. But my mom became a fan, I think last year. Basta around last year. Ang pinaka-peak ko siguro na era was Love Yourself. And naabutan ko rin yung Wings. So, I think that was the time na nagtutour sila. Nawala ako sa parang pagiging very, very huge fan ng BTS well around Map of the Soul. Ay, hindi. Fan pa ako noon. After that. The BE yata yun. BE ba yun? Yung Map of the Soul is nasubaybayan ko pa. But after after nun, yung BE, hindi ko na siya masyadong nasundan. And then they all enlisted. So parang wala na talaga. I was into NCT so much that I went to their concerts twice. Grabe talaga, pinaglaban ko talaga yung NCT na yun, na mag-VIP ako for NCT 127, like, that was 12,000 pesos, and I don't know how I afford that. I don't know how, pero I'm thankful for Ate Tricia for getting me that ticket. Good morning, guys. It's the ticketing day. It's June 9. And I'm getting ready to go to school. And I'm also not feeling well. So, ipupush natin to. Dapat hindi na ako papasok, pero naisip ko parang sayang. After ko pumasok, I'll be going straight to Calamba because my laptop is already there and mas malakas yung wifi doon. So, dun ako magti-ticket. Hi guys, so nakauwi na ako and I'm still sick. I think hindi ito mawawala anytime soon. And another update is that hindi ako nakakuha ng ticket. Oh my god. I will say that the membership was much more smoother than the Live Nation selling today. Because that was like, mas mababa yung QM ko this time for Live Nations. Wala girl! Wala! Ekis! My god. I didn't get anything. And it was sold out. I think around 30 minutes ako naghintay. Girl, lagi silang sold out. And I keep like doing the refreshing thing. And yes, it does work. Pero mataas pa rin yung QN ko. That was like 45
745,000. And my other one na hindi ko ni-refresh was like 85,000. Pero, well, day 3, pagod na po ako. One more minute. It's currently 10:29. And apakabagal po maglabas. Girl, what? That's the basic of the project of the website. Either wala akong makuha or what.
내 문제. 좋네. 좋은데? 아 재밌다.
Oo, tas shiratake na lang.
Yan, hila. We're here at the outlets. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog. Oh my God, can we check later?
No na. Tama yan.
Here's Charles and Keith. Good morning, guys. It's June 22 and we're going to Alabang today. And I'm studying for now since mga 11 pa naman kami aalis and it's still 9:37. So, I'm learning math before I get ready. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going home. Can't even. Oops.
They left me alone, guys. Later na ako iinom kasi I still need to review, but I have exam tomorrow. Pero contemporary nung naman. I had fun. I'm actually very tired na. It's currently past 8 na. Mga 9 sila magko-close. So,